Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the top wash arm support bearing in your dishwasher, pull the top rack out. Release the retaining tabs to remove the front stop clips. Slide the rack off of the rails. You can now rotate the old top wash arm support bearing counterclockwise to remove. Install the new support bearing by inserting it into the wash arm, then position the arm on the water supply manifold and thread the new bearing on clockwise to secure. Confirm the arm spins freely. Align the utensil tray support brackets on the rails and slide the rack in. Realign the two front stop clips on the rails and snap them into place.